Yes, she's a pioneer. She's a supermodel.
Please welcome to the Tam Fam again, the legendary one and only Beverly Johnson!
Can you believe this woman is 70? You would probably expect a 70-year-old woman to be wrinkled, bent over, slow, and grumpy. But American supermodel Beverly Johnson looks better than women decades younger than her and has been defying natural beauty and age conventions for almost half a century. Can you imagine your grandma walking the ramp at 69? Well, neither can I. But Beverly Johnson smashed ageist and beauty standards resoundingly around the world when she graced the runway at the New York Fashion Week last year. You can't deny that Beverly Johnson has great skin and hair, a flawless figure and posture, and a ton of energy. Maybe it's her genes. Maybe it's that black girl magic. If you want to look as charming as her, here are 5 secrets to her incredible age-defying looks. Avocado oil. Believe it or not, Beverly Johnson's #1 secret is probably lying in your kitchen right now. Avocados. She swears by this superfruit to help her skin look smooth, hydrated, and youthful. Black skincare specialist James Farabee introduced her to mashed avocado as a magical skin and hair mask 50 years ago. Avocado oil has a lot of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins A, D, and E. It also contains many other nutrients that can nourish and moisturize the skin and hair. Beverly Johnson told People magazine a few years ago that she uses organic avocado oil all over her body. A white jade roller. A proper daily skincare is part of Beverly Johnson's reason for her beautiful skin. But the secret lies in the application method, and she prefers a white jade roller to boost circulation and promote lymphatic drainage, which gives her a beautiful radiant glow. She also likes how it remains cold at all times and helps with her feel calm and rejuvenated during her skincare routine. Fitness routine. Beverly is also a passionate golfer who loves how it helps her to exercise both her mind and her body. She told Stylecaster that her favorite workout is golf because walking 18 holes is a workout. She also revealed that Pilates helps with aging as well and explained the Westlake Malibu lifestyle. As we age, we lose our balance, and Pilates addresses that by strengthening our core. Now that's easier than golf. Food for longevity. Beverly also admitted that when she was a model, she had an unhealthy relationship with food. But now, she prefers a diet that keeps her skin fresh and youthful. She still loves buttered popcorn, but eats balanced meals with proteins, greens, and fruits. Her favorite healthy snack is yogurt. It is an excellent source of calcium and protein, and is known to slow down the signs and effects of aging in the body. A purpose in life and being socially active. Beverly says, quote, "I like to use the words pro-aging rather than anti-aging. It is a more positive viewpoint. I think that beauty and pro-aging is enhanced by being socially active," unquote. And added that she is involved in philanthropic work and being socially online and tech-savvy for the same reason. When asked by New You how she's maintained her beauty throughout the years and what advice she has to share for it, Beverly responded, quote, "Of the secrets to maintaining beauty is doing what you do for a baby. Nurturing and feeding the baby with love. That's what we should do with ourselves. Nurture ourselves, love ourselves, and give that kind of energy to ourselves." What a shining example of how true beauty lies in embracing and loving yourself, regardless of your age. Let me know in the comments what your favorite secret is and why. And if you liked these secrets to eternal youth, keep watching this channel to find out more.